Hello friends. Today I will show you how to match the original font from an image in Photoshop. At first open the image in Photoshop. Then select the type option from the menu bar. Select Match Font here. Then select the area of the text which you want to find the font. It will search and show you some matched font name after a while. Look, here it is showing some best possible font name in the box. Most of the time the first two fonts could match perfectly. Select the first one and press OK. Remember the second font name. Select Type tool from the toolbar and write the exact text of your document. Look, the font didn't match perfectly. So I am changing the font with the second suggested font name which I remembered in mind. Now it's matched 100%. Now adjust the font color and size from the menu bar to match the font properly. Select the Move tool and place the text just in front the original text. Now adjust the font size again and also adjust the line spacing to match the new text with the original text seamlessly. Now hide the new text layer. Select Original Text Area with Rectangular Marquee tool. Select the background layer. Select Patch tool from toolbar and erase the original text by dragging it with mouse. Now make the new text layer visible and write whatever you want to change on it. Select the Move tool and adjust the text place. That's it. Look, the document text has been changed with 100% font matching. That's how you also can change or edit any image text with the same font. If you found any problem during the process or can't do this, you can contact with us. We provide any kind of document editing service with 100% original font matching. Just visit our website youre.com or direct message us via WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you.